Thank you for doing the dishes, Joe.
She-wolf polenta Pullman that we are soaking in the egg mixture the night before we make French toast. Nicholas, do you want to show them what's so special about this polenta Pullman?
This is burnt. It's burnt.
It's bruleed.
No, it's burnt. It's black. You burn this loaf. I mean, I'm just saying. I appreciate it in a way, but I'm like, this is burnt.
All right, so in a last-minute move, we decided to zest some orange. We've decided to re-soak the Pullman, and we've decided we have to take shifts throughout the night.
Still burnt.
Okay.
It's still burnt though.
We're taking shifts throughout the night to restack the toast because we didn't have the appropriate vessel for this, and we're making do. Ooh, that smells good. It smells like orange. He's wrapping it.
I am wrapping.
So how's that going for you?
We're not well equipped.
But look how good it looks. Are you fucking kidding me? We're gonna eat this tomorrow morning?
They never make the bacon the right size of the pan. So it's the right size this way, but I want to go the other way.
Why do you want to go the other way?
Because I want to get more bacon in the pan.
We're baking the bacon?
I love the bacon.
Bacon. I see what you did there. Bacon.
Yes.
And why do you like to bake it instead of fry it?
There's no point where it's going to get too hot on the pan. It could scorch or burn, and it cooks more evenly in a pan in the oven. I think that's why I like it that way.
All right.
And I don't have to deal with it.
Right. Now it's
It's
away,
just
and we
away.
just let it do its thing. Good luck, bacon. So this is looking a little pale.
It's getting pretty
Bacon
crispy.
looks kind of burnt. Okay, we got one burnt bacon for sure.
right, that's for
but that's kind of nice. So we have a nice rainbow here. We start with black, and then we go to dusty brown and some burnt sienna. So what are you doing? Wait, we missed all of this. Can you show?
No good.
What do you mean no good?
See that? Look at
Seems like your move didn't work.
that.
Let's just slice them like normal people. We have to cook these peaches down too.
They're pretty good.
They're not that good. What should we do with the peaches?
Butter, sugar,
What kind of sugar?
coconut sugar because you can't have
Cane
regular sugar.
I can't have cane sugar mixed with fruit, just for
You
clarification.
can have maple syrup.
Yes.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah, no, it's good, right? Rebecca would know. So,
I really seriously wrapped this last night.
you did, I
don't
remember. Look how beautiful it is.
It's good. Look at this.
Is that good?
It's full of
Oh yeah,
our bread as
no
well.
doubt. Yes, lay it down. Look at that orange zest. That sounds perfect. These are beautiful. Wow. Nice.
Let's see if we're ready.
Oh, I think that's perfect. Look at that perfect, beautiful egg. We have like an orange theme going. We got the orange egg, the orange zest, and orange French toast, and the orange peaches. It's like Fluxus over here. Fluxus was an avant-garde art collective in the 60s, and they did a lot of dinners that were inedible, but they were color coordinated.
Really?
So it'd be like a blue dinner. I mean, maybe it was edible. And the point wasn't to eat it.
Now, nice round of toast.
Let's eat, man.
Some silverware. I got the plates.
I got the sauce. You know, the mise en place situation here isn't exactly, you know, we're on the level.
Not the sewer level.
But
it's
the
gonna be
food's
delicious.
gonna be really good. Has anyone tried this yet? No. I'm trying it right now.
What do you think, Mallow?
I fucking love it.
Do you?
I do.